Hi all, my name is Mads Barnkop from Kaiser Power Electronics. Today we're going to talk a bit about making videos for YouTube and some of the equipment that I use, and also some of the new equipment that I purchased to heighten the production value of these videos. So for this video we are taking a look at this Godox LED panel, which is a 30 watt LED panel that is programmable between 25 to 100% intensity and from 3300K up to 8000K light color. So let's do an unboxing of this and let's do a review of how it performs. Comes in a nice box here. At the back side we can see it features, I guess it's 256 LED bulbs. It can be powered by DC power or by some Sony battery packs. It can operate in groups and up to 16 channels with a open wireless 433 MHz system. Some previous versions did include a remote. It does not include that after I think it was July 2021. So unfortunately I got these a bit too late, so I do not have that remote. So let's get it out. Comes with some nice polystyrene support here. A bit of plastic wrapping. Seems to be some kind of heat shrink around it. Okay, overall feel pretty nice and sturdy. No sharp corners. Some good tactile feedback on the knob here. Feels nice. Buttons is a bit flimsy. Small on-off switch, DC input power, and the stand connector here. And then we have the battery connection here, 2 batteries, so you can actually change over without the light going out. Has some shredded standard thread size here in the corners to mount film, filters, shrouds, all kinds of accessory that you would put on your light. Now for a 256 LED panel, you can see it has a lot of small dots, so each dot is certainly not an LED, but we'll see when we turn it on how even the light is. Other than that, what do we have? Quality check pass, silica gel. We have some kind of warranty card here, and the manual. So that's in Chinese and in English. So let's just see if we can get a look at the specifications. Okay, so it was 3300 to 5600K. And the LED brightness range 10 to 100%, which I think it's a bit off because I'm pretty sure it's 25% that is the minimum. So in this cardboard box here, we have the adapter and the tripod mount here. Adapter is we'll see, what do we have here? 16.8 volt DC at 2 amps, so 33 watt. Seems okay. So just from the weight alone, I would say that it's probably a fairly good build. And the support here. All metal parts here on the inside that grips into the panel. Have some clicking locking here. And a good, big, nice thread screw to grip around the tripod stand here. That looks okay as well. So that just clicks into place here. Okay. Pretty sturdy. We'll accept that. So let's get it powered up. It ain't easy to get everything into the scene at once and also film the panel being handled. So I'm behind the camera and let's just try to turn it on. So it has this stop run button and you also have a channel button, but now we can just turn it on. Now it is, as I've used it in the intro, at 60%, And as you can see, there is still one panel over at the work table because I bought 2 of these panels to get a effect of illuminating my scene from 2 sides in order to eliminate any shadowing. So let's just try to turn it all the way down to 25%. That's here. So what you need to pay attention to is the lighting that goes in on the background and also all the equipment over here. So let me try to turn it off again. And we can notice a lot of shadowing from the overhead lights in my office here. And that is what I try to eliminate. So let's go back up to 20 or 60%, which is here. And you can see we have a nice even light on all surfaces that you have in the scene. And we can also go all the way up to 100%, which is way too bright for most recording at these small distances. The camera here is no more than about 1.5 meters from where you usually see me sitting. Now, pressing the large button here, we can switch over to color mode. And if we just take a look here at the display, we can see it says 4000K. So we can turn that down to 3300, or we can turn that all the way up to 5600. So let's just try to turn it all the way up again, 100%, and we will see the effect on the scene. So I'm turning it down to from a cold color now and down to the warmest color. See, it's a huge difference on the scene. So I'll probably use it at 4000K, as I also used in the intro. Seems to give a bit of warmth and also a bit distinctive of the blue background here. So the nice big LED here, very nice, easy to operate. What I don't like about the whole mount here is how flimsy it is. You see, every time I touch it, it's just wobbling around. And I'm not saying that you would get any, noticeable change of the light in the scene, but you can see on the edge of the light out here, you can certainly notice it on the ceiling in here that you can see the shadow move. But then again, the angle of this panel seems to be something like a good maybe 10 degrees. So it's very close to being on a 90-degree angle out from the panel itself. So that's very nice. I hope you found this short review very useful, because I do pay a lot of attention on the sturdiness of a product and how well it feels, and also besides how well it actually performs. So right now I have the second panel sitting over here shining at me at 100% because I need a lot of light now to fight against the panel sitting next to me. So we can also see that the camera tries to change its exposure in order to combat the amount of light shining directly into the camera right now. So if I do, against my assumptions, find any flaws on this product or it starts behaving badly, I will of course make an update video. But for now, I'm pretty sure that this is a good and decent product, and with 2 30-watt LED panels, it really suits my needs to shine up my pretty small scenes that are close to the camera, and also bring some more production quality into making videos. So thank you for watching it all to the end. I hope you like what I show on my channel, either for the how to make videos for YouTube content, but also my electronics content. So subscribe if you like it, and share it with your friends if you find it really amazing. So until next time, see ya.